My life, you break the line. I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time. I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets. I will tell you my secrets. We are different colors, but I like it. Why, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile, baby? I'm almost breathing. Tell me why, baby? Baby, do you look so pretty in your smile, why, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile, baby? I'm almost breathing. Tell me why, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile,
Hello everyone.
Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel.
It's so good to see you guys again. And today we're like doing something very special. It's
our anniversary.
Yay! Yes.
2017.
No.
4th anniversary.
Yeah. 4th.
Yeah.
No, 5th.
Yeah.
6th, 7th, yeah, 4th anniversary
And this could be our last date till our baby arrives.
अनि त्यो चाहिँ हामी तपाईहरुलाई उयो गराएर चाहिँ खुट्टा रेग्लाल्ने. It's okay, fine.
Show my OOTD.
That's our outfit of the day.
The pregnancy belly cover race. That's
looks
why
different. Ani, we're here. Look, behind you guys is a very, famous. People here come to take pictures from all over Ontario. Look, the house is upside down, which makes it look very beautiful. Everything in this house is upside down, right? Maybe? I think so. This is Clifton Hill in Niagara Falls, and this is one of the best tourist location. Like almost people from all over the world, when they come to visit Niagara Falls, they do come here because it's alive and it's open late night. Late means it's late night. There we have Kelsey's. It remains open until 3 or 4 in the morning, which is amazing. And like you'll see a crowd here.
And it's Monday today.
That's your Louis Toussaint's Madam Wax Works, which is awesome.
You call on my life, you break the line. I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time. I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets. I will tell you my secrets. We are different colors, but I like it. Why, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile, baby? I'm almost breathing. Tell me why, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile, why, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile, baby? I'm almost breathing. Tell me why, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile, for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time. I'm falling for you. And tell me.
हो अनि कस्तो लाग्यो तँलाई भनेको नि
So hot.
अब it's so many people around, like we are compelled to wear mask. I mean other risky हुन्छ के
Of course.
That's why
मलाई भ्याक्सिन लागेको छैन.
न्यू प्यारेन्ट जानु लागि चाहिँ
Tenzing was telling me, don't wear this dress.
I'm
You look like a baby.
8-year-old girl. But then now when I see around,
You
like it's
have to
fine.
bring out that child inside you.
This is like one of the best ice cream cones you get here.
Adak. Adak.
Nice. अनि यहाँ त छँदैछ त्यो फनवाला त सबैकै छैन कि फनवाला त सबैकै छैन
Your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different polos, but I like it, Why, baby, do you look so pretty in your smile, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty in your smile, why, baby, do you look so pretty in your smile, baby?
One eternity later.
Waiting in the line. Hala sakalimba.
This is our
Lunch
second
date.
time in the Wayne Japanese
Ani.
restaurant.
Ani kuya slime tiniyo. Ayo.
And the mother, how hungry are you? How hungry is the baby? Right. And here we are at the wind, waiting for our turn so that we can find some table to set and eat lunch. Nice.
So hungry.
Hungry now.
I'm almost pretty, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty in your smile,
Did you order vegetable rice?
Sabji paएछ
Which one?
त्यो भेजको नि के भनेर छ त्यहाँ आइटम छ अहिले त प्लेट खाँदै छ आउँछ
you color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We
You know, the setup has changed, eh? The setup has changed from before. The setup has changed, like
Oh yeah. There's a big stone bar over there. Waste the space, and then over there all the booths waste the space. The restaurant's bigger, right? But nothing changed.
color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And
How are you liking the food, Annie? Because I mean, it always have, you know.
The tragic.
यति लाउड छ कि बोल्दै पनि मिलेको छैन अन्त माथि सङ्ग्स प्ले हुन्छ क्या दामी
So good.
दुईटा रहेछ एउटा वान स्पुन अनि what's for you?
Call of my life, you break the line. I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time. I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets.
Subway and table empty. We finished everything. Like we ate like kati dishes there. Almost 30-40 dishes खाइदियो होला के खाए जानु I ate veg. अब कतिको veg खाए पनि. She ate all non-veg. हैन बुढी? Alright, that's the end of our video. Take care guys. And see you again.